Jeremy Carton here, trailer salesman at TRT. I'm standing on top of Freo Group's brand new 10-line ESS Platform trailer. This trailer is configured as a 5 rows of 8, 3 rows of 8, 2 rows of 8 and a large bifold ramp module. Like all of our other ESS Platform trailers, this trailer is no different. It features our live hydraulic compensating gooseneck. It's the only live compensating gooseneck on the market where it will actually actively move up and down to keep drive weight down on your truck's chassis. The live compensating gooseneck in this trailer is powered by this 9-inch double-acting cylinder here, while an active pressure on the system is maintained by this 20-litre accumulator nicely tucked away in the guts of the gooseneck. For easy and safe coupling and decoupling of your prime mover, the isolation valve for the gooseneck is found here on the driver's side of the neck. Some of the other features of this trailer include TRT's iconic double-acting suspension system, so very easy to lift and lock off an axle, just using the simple ball valve here on each axle group. Customers and operators don't need to actually get under the trailer to do that sort of work. We've also got 18 work lights situated conveniently around the trailer to help it light up at night, and again so that the drivers and operators can easily see the outside of their tyres at all times. Being Australia's largest crane company with over 480 cranes, TRT has specifically designed these bifolds for Freo Group. They're 4.5 metres long. They result in a load angle of just under 9 degrees, perfect for Freo's 8 and 9 axle all-terrain cranes. Like any other trailer manufacturer, TRT goes out in the industry and uses what is already existing and what already works very well. So for our patented Quick Connect technology, we've got large lower hydraulic pinning rams that are used to lock the modules together, very similar to what you find in SPMTs today. And then for the top connection point, we have large male and female tapered lugs and bosses. This has basically been taken from tried and proven designs that are on large Manitowoc crawlers. Hooking up new modules and removing them is a simple process with TRT's Quick Connect. We've got all the suspension hydraulics and electrics on the outside here, as well as the pinning ram controls built into the coaming rails. And then in the center of the trailer, we have all the air connections, steering hydraulics, widening hydraulics, and ramp hydraulics. We find with operators new to the system that even after only a few weeks, they're suddenly able to uncouple the modules within 12 minutes, and they can put new modules into the configuration in less than 30. So a massive thank you to the team at Freo Group for the purchase of your beautiful brand new TRT 10-line ESS modular platform trailer behind me. I can't wait to set travelling up and down the east coast of Australia, carrying one of your mighty LGs on its back. And if you're interested in buying one of these trailers for your next project, please get in touch with the team today.